What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Fortnite Emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today, you're going to be learning the Fortnite Emote Springy. It's been around for a while, but I got a lot of requests on it, so I'm going to do it here today. And next time you guys are in the item shop, don't forget to use code DANCEPROFESSOR. Okay, hook up your boy, support the channel, appreciate it. Also, hit the like button, hit the subs. Hit the noties, that way you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I have a free class, it's a hip hop class. It's available 3 days a week. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. All right, you guys ready to do Springy? Let's do this. All right, you guys, this is how you do the Fortnite Springy emote. What gets confusing about this emote is the moves are very similar, and you're changing direction constantly. So I'm not gonna lie, this was one of the most challenging ones for me to try to break down, but I'm the GOAT, so you know, I can do anything. So I broke it down for you guys and we're gonna make it happen here today. Okay, so here's what you do, okay? I'm gonna face this way, so that way you guys don't have to worry about mirroring anything. You can just copy my right leg, my left leg, and then you know what direction to turn to, okay? You're gonna start on the count of 2. So if you think of music as going 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is just step forward on that 2. So your right leg steps forward, 2, you're then gonna tap your left heel, 3, 4, then you're gonna kick 5, then you're gonna kick 6, then you're gonna switch your legs, come around here, turn your leg underneath to kick this way, and then kick this way, okay? So breaking that down again, it's gonna look like this. 7, 8, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So you land here on 1 and your right leg is kicking out to the side here. Now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna hold on to the wall, kind of hold my balance a little bit. You're gonna brush your foot back 2, you're gonna turn your body, you're gonna tap 3 behind, okay? And it kind of helps when you have momentum. So it's hard to learn this when you're breaking it down. Just stick with it, do it a whole bunch of times. And then once you get the steps, you can start using momentum as your friend to spin around and get to places. So if you're out here on 1, we're gonna spin 2, 3, you're gonna kick 4, you're gonna land 5 with both legs out like this. Then you're just gonna cross your left leg back in front to go 6. Then you're gonna kick it out 7. Then you're gonna open up your legs again, 8. Then you're gonna turn all the way to the front and tap 1. So let's take that from the top and put that all together. It's gonna look like this, 7, 8. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Then when you land here on 1, you're gonna kick your right leg out again to go 2, 3, okay? So the first one you kick to the side, you face the front like this. Kick to the side, face the front. Then you're gonna switch and face this way now, okay? So then you're here on 3. Now what you're gonna do is step on your left foot and run. 4, 5, okay? Now you're gonna tap this foot behind, 6. So then open the knee to go 7. Then you're gonna cross it, 8. Then you're gonna take this foot and push it down, 1, 2. You're gonna take that right leg again, you're gonna kick behind you. 3, almost kind of grab your foot. Just wanna tap it, right? 3, put it down, 4. Then after that, you're gonna take this right leg and you're gonna pick it up like this behind you. And when you do, you're gonna flip yourself around 5 to go 6, 7, cross 8, turn 1, and start everything all over again on 2. Let's try that from the top, but let's do that slow. It looks like this, 6, 7, 8, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. That is super complex footwork. And if it takes you a second, don't worry about it. Spend as much time as you need. Repetition is your best friend. Even as a professional dancer for over 2 decades, I had to spend a couple hours on this breaking it down because there's nobody there teaching you. There's other tutorials, but I don't watch the other tutorials because I do a better job. So I watch the videos, I break them down for you, and then we do them here. So if it takes you a minute, that's okay. Might take you a couple days. Just keep practicing and practicing. But then when you're able to do this and show your friends, they're gonna be like, yo, dude, that was sick. So keep at it, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's now try it with the music and the avatar. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, there you go, guys. That's how you do the Fortnite Springy Emote. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you got any other tutorial requests, put them in the comment section below. I do read them and I stick them on a notepad, and I will do those requests here. Until then, I will see you guys next week. See you at the live streams. Peace.